Today we have a video from Body Cam Goat, and the title of the video is Incredibly Disrespectful Teens 4th of July. Wait, not 4th of July. July 4th. Beach party gets crashed by cops.
This is 18-year-old Avery McInnes, 19-year-old David Stacy, and 20-year-old Michaela Moneypenny. On July 4th, 2024, New Smyrna Beach police were on patrol when they took notice of a group they believed to be drinking underage. Check out what happens when officers make contact for their investigation.
How old are you? Huh?
You what?
I don't know anything to say. You don't want to tell me your name, date of birth, and your age?
You know what's coming next, right?
Oh my God!
Stand up. Stand up. Let's go. Turn around. You want to play that game with me too? You get one chance to tell me your real name and your date of birth.
2003.
Back up.
2003, August 11th. Imagine getting somebody in
Just back up, please. Back up. You're not just sitting there.
Are we just sitting here? Look at all these people back here.
August 11th. Okay, cool. So you're not 21.
What did I say? What did I say? You guys need to get some lives. Get some families,
Said you were 21.
bro. Oh, I'm sorry.
Whoops.
I'm.
One more word.
What's your name?
How old are you?
It doesn't matter.
Well, you appear intoxicated to me. Come over here. Come over here.
I can walk you a straight line, brother.
Sit down. Sit. Sit down.
It doesn't fucking matter. Get the f off.
Okay. Come sit down.
Get off me.
Stop. Come back over here.
Am I doing something wrong?
Sit down. Stay there.
Please fucking video this. Please. Am I doing something wrong?
Yes, you are.
I stand
Calm
here.
down.
What am I doing? Read it to me.
Well, now you're resisting.
Resisting what? Standing here? Is that actually for real?
Relax.
I'm relaxed.
I don't know why you're acting like that.
It's all good. I'm relaxed.
Well, you are now, but you were just trying to fight with the cops.
I know. I'm just trying to figure out
Why would
why
you-
I'm getting detained for standing.
What's that? No, you're getting detained for obstructing. We'll explain that to you. But you were given a lawful order. You refused to comply. They told you to stop. You said no.
All right. You still refusing to give me your name and date of birth?
David Stacy.
I'm sorry.
David Stacy.
Alright.
David.
Stacy.
Are you mad?
What's that?
Are you mad because
I don't get that. Because I don't have a family? That's really? That's how you act? Is that how your mom taught you to act?
No, I respect the police. I
Then why are you
respect.
acting like that?
I don't
You're
know.
asking about my family?
I'm just standing
I think
here
you're just
and then
really
you're
intoxicated. I think you're really intoxicated. Like that's you're making bad choices right now. So calm down. I'm not treating you with disrespect.
That's fair. Okay, fine. If you say so. I'm gonna just stand here with all respect. You guys are good to go. You're doing your job, whatever. I'm just here from Ohio, just standing here.
All right. What's your name?
Wicked Moneypenny.
So why are you acting that way if you're not intoxicated?
Because I don't know what I'm behind cuffs for if I'm
Well, you
not
didn't-
acting that way.
You didn't follow a lawful order, then you resisted arrest.
Sir, can I ask what
Yes. Yeah, I told you to stay back because you were conducting an investigation. You didn't.
And I stayed back.
Got several warnings.
I stayed back
You
right
didn't.
with him.
And then when he asked you a question, you tried to run away from him.
Okay, sir, I tried to run away.
It's all in this right here called the body camera.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, how did you get here today?
I Ubered here from the Lyft. Is there a problem with that?
You guys have any credit card or anything like that with your name on it?
I have an ID at the house.
Here with you now. Do you have any credit card or anything? So how are you buying stuff on the beach? You don't have a credit card?
Look, let me interrupt her. As you guys try to be more and more vague and quiet, you're making it worse for yourself, all right? You are required to identify yourself, which you've given me. Listen, let me finish talking, all right? If we cannot ID you, then we have to take you, book you, and fingerprint you. You have no choice but to go fully into custody. We're trying to work through that. That's why she's asking, do you have an ID? Do you have a credit card? Something to identify you. Now you might magically have it on you.
No, I'm telling you, I can check.
Okay.
Because I don't remember if I had on me genuinely on my mom's life. I don't remember if I brought it with me. So I can check. Is that what you want?
It might be what you want.
It might be in here.
I like that cop's response. It might be what you want. It's not what I want. Could care less. If I gotta take you down, I'll take you down. If I don't, I don't. I still gotta do 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, however long, 16. I might be doing a double today. It don't matter to me. I'm here working. But it might be what you want. You could get cited and released, or we could bring you downtown. It don't matter. Yeah, I don't understand what's up with these kids, man. I don't understand what's up with these kids. The guy, he know he wrong. Whatever. The one with the black hair, this one, I thought she was actually acting pretty decent until this right here. Like, you ain't got no ID or nothing. Like, how you buying stuff? The other one, the other chick, she's just a wreck. I mean, if that's how you act when you drink, man, you need to just stay away from liquor because you can't control it. You cannot control it.
Yeah.
I'll take that. Yeah. All right. Yeah, let me know. All right. We're right in front of Breakers. Thank you.
I'm sorry about earlier. I was thinking about my sister's birthday. It was my birthday.
Oh, yeah, accidentally thinking of your sister's birthday, were you? Ah, amazing.
My sister's not even of age. Why would I tell you my sister when she's not of age?
You think this is like my first time dealing with people drinking underage?
It's my
Like
sister's
very
not of
first
age.
time that we've got fake names and IDs?
Like, we're not the only fucking ones here.
I can only deal with one person at a time. And it gets even longer when you give me fake information.
I'm sorry. I did genuinely appreciate it.
Okay. It doesn't affect me. I'm not mad at you.
I know it doesn't matter.
This is not personal to me.
I know it doesn't matter, but I'm just saying my mom.
It's not
raised a good
personal,
girl.
just business.
Genuinely
Well, let's try to run that route from the rest of the way here, huh?
You couldn't keep your mouth shut. Otherwise, you weren't doing anything wrong.
Okay, that's my man. Out of all these people,
Well, your friends were openly drinking on the beach on 4th of July when we have zero tolerance. No, no, they're not.
they're just good at hiding it.
Absolutely.
So we should just be good at hiding it.
Well, you can't do that, that's for sure.
Be good at hiding it.
If I can't see it, right? But that I can definitely see.
I remember that.
Oh, wow.
I was
Twisted
at
tea
a
can.
skate park in Ohio before, and a cop pulled up to me. I wasn't drinking or anything, but he was like, "Hey, the park is closed. Can you head home?" And I was like, "Yeah." And he had me give him my ID and everything. So, but I didn't give him a hard time. I
Well,
respect
you
that
might
guys-
encourage her to give the right information so she stops making it worse for
I
herself.
can try. I respect that it's 4th of July. You guys have other places to be. You guys want
Tell
to
her.
be other places. Just
You don't need to
as we
tell
do.
me. Tell her.
They're bored, brother. It's okay. They don't have families and shit on the 4th of July. Like, I don't know what to tell them. Their wives are out cheating on them and stuff.
Wow, there you go again, being belligerent. You feel good about that?
Thank you, man.
You feel good about that? I promise you, you can't make me mad.
Your wife might be out and cheat on you.
Okay, does that make you feel better?
No, it
Being
doesn't.
belligerent when you're intoxicated?
I think that's sad if your wife cheats.
I think it's sad that you feel like you have to talk that way to people.
No, I think it's sad that you feel me.
Have we put you down?
Yes.
Have we disrespected you?
Yes, because we're sitting
Because-
here swimming on the beach. We don't know these people next to us. We're sitting here swimming and you feel the need to pull up to us. Look at all these people drunk as driving home off this beach. We're not the only one. Are we driving home? No, we're Ubering.
Well, that's good. We got half. We got half of it.
Driving home.
We will.
Good for you.
But we're awesome. But we're also got to deal with you.
Doesn't affect me. I'm not mad at you. It's not personal
Oh,
to me.
there you go again. Trying to make yourself feel better.
Okay. Well, let's try to run that.
I'm not your brother. You don't know my wife.
Your wife probably cheats on you monthly. Like, does that make you sad?
There you go. You're trying. You're trying hard.
Does it? Does it?
Keep
though?
trying.
I don't mean to be rude to you, but does it make you sad?
Actually, you're trying to be rude, but yet you're sitting there in handcuffs. So I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt. You know, you gotta talk. That's fine.
My mom's gonna get me out of this, so what? Ooh, I don't want the police.
What's that again?
Does that affect
What's that? I'm sorry. I can't understand you. You're slurring.
Does that affect me that you
I
throw
can't-
me around the beach and my mom's gonna get me out of this? My mom and dad.
No, it doesn't affect me. It's not going to get you out of handcuffs right now.
Because you're not gonna get no permission for it, buddy.
That's true. We definitely do not work on commission.
Yeah, no. Yeah, it is match. I'm a woman. What can I f***ing say? Like, you guys are out here doing your job and I'm out here being a woman. I'm just trying to out here enjoy my f***ing beach time and then hear these pull up.
Not helping.
What are you gonna do? Unless you were freedom of speech? Right now, it's
Michaela, just stop. Just cooperate.
You're making it worse for yourself.
Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth and cooperate.
We're gonna walk up the stairs up here, okay?
We going with them?
You guys want to take one each? LT? And then we'll figure out their stuff has got to go with them too.
Officers find open alcohol containers with the trio. Michaela Moneypenny was charged with disorderly intoxication and resisting an officer without violence. Avery McInnes was charged with possession of alcohol under 21 and providing false ID to law enforcement. And David Stacy was charged with possession of alcohol under 21.
Nasty attitudes, man. Especially the real slim one. She is just, yeah, my mom and dad is gonna get me out of this situation. Does that make you feel better? Your wife is out cheating on you or whatever. Man, you are a child. Okay? You well, I forgot how old she was, but she's like 19 or 18 or something. You are a child. Okay? You don't know nothing. You don't know nothing about life. Nothing. Zero. Zilch. But then she's going to be the same one complaining in a few years or whenever when her boyfriend is out cheating on her. You know, I only say that because, you know, karma. You're out there wishing that on these guys or whatever who's out doing their job or whatever the case may be or whatever, but watch you end up getting a toxic relationship. And that guy take you on an emotional roller coaster that you are not even ready, you're nowhere near equipped for. Then you can go back and look at YouTube and see how nasty you were to people. And then you get treated nasty. See how that works? It's karma. It all comes back around. Eventually. Whatever you do out there, man, it's gonna come back around. It may not come back around right now. Maybe not even a year from now. Maybe not even 2 years from now. It might be 10, 15 years down the road, but it's eventually gonna come back around. And you're gonna get your karma. Anyways, yeah, I don't think I really talked that much through this video. You know, I was locked in just like everybody else. I'm just can't believe what's coming out these people's mouths. Giving fake names and stuff like that. Like officers can't look it up. Oh, I don't got an ID, but now magically you got an ID. Like, come on, man. Just be honest, because they didn't have to take them down, but because they were playing games, that's why they ended up taking them down. Could have gave you your ticket right on the beat. All right, get out of here. you know? All right, go. You kicked off the beach. Go home, go sober up, catch a Uber, you know? And it could have been as simple as that. But when you play games, the cops can play games too. So anyway, I get officers 5. Did pretty good. And yeah, at least hide it. You open regular container, fireball, regular. You ain't put it in a coffee cup or I mean, not a coffee cup, a Stanley cup or anything. You just gonna have it out in a regular. Who does that? Do kids drink underage? Yeah, kids drink underage. But who is stupid enough to go to the beach with the regular, you're not even disguising it. Are cops really out there trying to nitpick? And no, they're just chilling. But if it's blatant like that, they gotta do what they gotta do. It's your fault for having Twisted Tea can right out there like that. Like, come on, man. Don't make no sense. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.